Hello and welcome back to Ethivers Lovelies. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this smoky eye nude makeup look. I know it sounds kind of weird, smoky eye or nude, but it is a combination. So understand, it is my combination. So I created this look on the occasion, like for the occasion of Eid. So if you like it, please try it out, and I'm going to not talk anymore, and that's it. We're just going to start the video. Let's get started. So before applying makeup, always make sure that your face is nice and clean. So I'm going to prime my face now with my regular products, which is rose water, aloe vera gel, moisturizer and Maybelline primer. So if you guys have watched my previous videos, you already know my base. So if you want to skip this part, you can skip and reach out to the next part. And for that, I have mentioned the timestamp in the description box. After priming my face, I'm going to prime my lips with My Glam Lit Lip Balm. For the foundation, I'm going to use My Glam Treat Love Care foundation in the shade Renew, and I'm going to make some glow cream with it to get that instant glow. So I'm just taking few drops of the foundation and few drops of the glow cream. We are just going to mix it, dab it on the face with the finger, and then blend it with the beauty blender. So this glow cream is also from My Glam. It is Glow Brightening Essence Face Oil or Face Cream, whatever you can say. And I completely love the combination of this glow cream and foundation, because you all can see it doesn't look different. It totally matches my skin color. It doesn't look cakey and all. It is completely flawless. After blending out my foundation nicely, I'm going to apply some concealer, which is from Maybelline obviously, and this is how I'm applying it. And then blend it all together with a beauty blender. Now I'm going to take a lipstick, which is again from My Glam. It is Satin Matte Lipstick in the shade Two Broke Girls. It is kind of a dark brownish, so I'm going to use it for contouring. Now we are going to blend it all together. After that, I'm going to powder pack with My Glam K-Play Flavored Compact in the shade 01 French Vanilla. For the brows, I'm going to use My Glam Stay Defined 2-in-1 High Definition Brow Powder and Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm in the shade Walnut and Ebony SD01, and it is so awesome. Look at it. I just love how my brows are looking right now. So now we are going to move on to the eyeshadow, and for smoky eye, we are just going to put some transition color before, which is obviously a dark brownish kind of. We are just properly going to blend it on the crease and build the color. Now we are going to apply the same shade on a low lash line to make the eye makeup look perfect. After this, I'm going to take Maybelline 24K Nudes eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this black color and blend it on my crease, and then I change my brush. Okay, so the pigmentation is really nice. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and dab the black eyeshadow on my crease so it looks more pigmented. Here's something in detail, a closer look. Now I'm going to take Maybelline Colossal Kajal 2x Blacker and apply it on my lower lash line, and then smudge it with a small eyeshadow brush. Like, I'm not going to smudge it too much, I'm going to do it very lightly. So this is how it is looking. We are almost there. Now for the lashes, we are going to first curl it and then apply Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Now Now some final touches of blush and highlighter. Whenever you're doing kind of a nudish makeup, always make sure that you use a blush which is peachy or orangish kind of. Here I didn't have that, so I used little bit of pink. Now some highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes to enhance my eye makeup. Now for the lips, I'm going to use the same My Glam satin lipstick and I'm going to apply it first, and over it I'm going to apply Maybelline Color Sensational Powder Matte Cherry Chic lipstick, which is kind of a pinkish nude. So there we are. We have got the final lip color and we are all done. So this is how my first ever smoky eye makeup turned out. Let me know how much you liked it in the comments. Also don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, share this video and subscribe to my channel. We are adding some jewelries and we are making ourselves look more beautiful. I have also filmed another festive looks on my channel, so the link is in the description box. Please go and check it out. So this is how I created my look and I am kind of not so very happy with it, but theek hai. Let me know in the comments how much you liked it, and if you're going to try it, please let me know how it turned out. Yeah, that's it for today. So we will meet very soon. Until then, a very happy Eid to you all, like in advance, or even if I'm posting it on the occasion of Eid. So yeah, a very happy Eid to you all. Stay safe, stay happy, stay positive, and just have a lot of strength. We are all in this together. We will get through this, and yeah, keep spreading love. That's it. See you all.